India's Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, has unveiled the Union Budget for 2025-26, introducing significant changes that promise to reshape the nation's economic landscape. This budget marks a pivotal moment for India, with a strong emphasis on accelerating growth, fostering inclusive development, and enhancing the spending power of the middle class. At the heart of this transformative budget lies a revolutionary overhaul of the income tax system. The most notable change is the increase in the tax-free income limit to 12 lakh rupees under the new tax regime. This substantial rise from the previous 7 lakh rupee limit aims to provide considerable relief to middle-income earners. The new tax regime introduces revised slabs designed to reduce the overall tax burden. Income up to 4 lakh rupees faces no tax. A 5% rate applies from 4 lakh 1 to 8 lakh rupees. 10% is levied on income between 8 lakh 1 and 12 lakh rupees. The rates then progressively increase, reaching 30% for income above 24 lakh rupees. Salaried individuals can further benefit from a standard deduction of 75,000 rupees, effectively raising their tax-free income to 12 lakh 75,000 rupees. It's important to note that the old tax regime remains unchanged, allowing taxpayers to choose the system that best suits their financial situation. The budget also introduces measures to support senior citizens and simplify tax compliance. The limit for tax deduction on interest income for seniors has doubled to 1 lakh rupees. For property owners, the threshold for tax deducted at source on rent has increased to 6 lakh rupees annually. Beyond taxation, the budget outlines ambitious fiscal measures. The government projects a fiscal deficit of 4.8% of GDP for the upcoming fiscal year, with a target to reduce it further to 4.4% in the following year. To support state-level development, 1.5 lakh crore rupees have been allocated as interest-free loans for infrastructure projects. The budget demonstrates a comprehensive approach to national development, with significant announcements across various sectors. In agriculture, new initiatives under the PM Krishi Yojana aim to boost self-reliance in pulse production. The education sector will see the establishment of 50,000 Atal tinkering labs and expanded broadband connectivity in schools. Healthcare receives a boost with plans for daycare cancer centers in all district hospitals and additional medical college seats. The budget also prioritizes the growth of micro, small and medium enterprises through customized credit cards and enhanced investment limits. Infrastructure development remains a key focus, with particular emphasis on strengthening India's manufacturing capabilities. The government plans to implement custom duty reforms, enhance skill development programs, and improve agricultural value chains. In the realm of technology, the budget allocates resources for establishing a center of excellence in artificial intelligence. This initiative, along with investments in robotics and biotechnology, positions India to compete in emerging technological fields. The 2025-26 Union Budget represents a comprehensive strategy to propel India's economic growth, enhance infrastructure, and improve the quality of life for its citizens. By balancing tax relief with targeted investments in key sectors, the government aims to position India as a global hub for manufacturing and innovation while addressing the needs of its diverse population. This budget sets the stage for a transformative period in India's economic journey, promising to unlock new opportunities and drive sustainable development in the years to come.